Welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm at Harbor Freight Tools to show you their Black Friday sale going on now. Now, first up, for the first 3 days, it's open to their Inside Track Club members, and then it goes to the open public after that, starting on Thanksgiving. So from Pittsburgh for $29, this is their 130-piece tool set. It comes with the toolkit and case. It looks like it's got different pliers, wrenches, hex keys, sockets. And also when you first walk in, make sure to grab one of the flyers because that's going to show you all the different deals they have going on throughout the store. Now next up for $479, this is $120 off, is this 12,000-pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote. So with this one, you're getting the wireless remote for truck or SUV. And you can see the specs on this one here. This is the Badland Apex model. And right next to it for $249, this is $100 off, is the 12,000-pound truck SUV winch with wire rope. And now this one's the Badland ZXR model. Now they had some generators on sale too. From Predator, this is the $799 5,000 watt dual fuel quiet inverter. You can use gasoline or propane with this one. And the gasoline running watts is going to be 3,900 with the max starting watts at 5,000. And let me know in the comments, guys, if there's something you see that you're probably going to pick up. Now, this one is the professional adjustable shop seat. It's got that storage underneath with that tray. This is $69. This comes in red, blue, green, and black. And this is from Icon, the same socket brand that we all know. This has a customer rating of 5 stars as well, so that's pretty good. This is $45 off. Now for $94 is this 1,500 watt steam cleaner kit. It's $35 off. It was $129. This is from Central Machinery. It says it provides up to 45 minutes of steam, has an 8-foot hose, and right next to that, this one is $69. It's a Bauer modular rolling toolbox. This one kind of reminds me of the Lowe's like Tough Kit ones, but I couldn't open this one because they had zip tied it. For $64 at 27% off is this 1750 PSI 1.3 GPM electric pressure washer from Portland. With this one, you're getting the low pressure detergent bottle included and the variable spray pattern 20-foot hose as well. They also had these bookends throughout the store, so check these out in case you're wondering some other items on sale. Go ahead and leave a comment and like this video if you're finding it useful, guys. Next up is $496. This is 37% off on these SAE and metric folding hex key sets. Now this is what these look like. You're getting 3 different ones, SAE and metric. And now for $991, this is 33% off. Was $14.99. This 3/8 inch, half-inch drive socket set. Now this is what this looks like. You can store them on the actual kit here. I just wish that, I wonder if that's magnetic. That's what I wasn't sure about. Now from Merlin is this digital tire inflator for $17.99. This is 40% off. It's saying it's their highly accurate model, comes with the whole kit, everything you need here. From Bauer is this 20-volt cordless hand vacuum, but I wanted to show you this. When you buy the Bauer 5 amp hour battery and charger start kit, you get one of these tools free. And I'll show you that in a minute where it shows all the other different tools, but these are just some of the tools, the wet vac, the vacuum, and then from Hercules, they have a similar deal. When you buy one of their 5 amp hour battery and charger kits, you get one of their sets for free. Here's one tip as well. Keep an eye out for damaged boxes. This one's in the back of the store. They had a little pallet of them, and these are discounted boxes of just items that, I don't know if the boxes are just damaged or they're repackaged, but these have a deep discount on all these ones. This is a $99 next 9800 weatherproof protected case from Apache. This is a rifle case. You can see the size of this. This is plenty tall enough for you. It comes in black, green, and tan. And then off to the right here, they have their medium-sized boxes, which are on sale as well. Now for $5.99, this is $80 off this 4,500 watt Predator inverter. This is what the panel looks like, and then I'll show you the specs. I think originally it's $679. It has 3650 watts of running powers and 16 hours of runtime. Now from Avanti, they have this special deal going on, 40% off all Avanti sprayers, brushes, and rollers. And it's in-store only, but the discount is taken off at the register. So all the prices you see here on all these different items, you can check these and then take an additional 40% off, which is really nice. And that's going to, again, be at the register. Now right behind me, they had some of their brushes and rollers. I just wanted to show you the kind of selection they had here. Let me know if you guys have had any experience with these. I've never personally tried their brushes or their rollers, but From Spectrum for $79, this is $50 off this premium gravity-fed air spray gun with side fan control. And now they had this HVLP Spectrum spray gun. Now they had one down here as well for $14.99. I wonder if they just need to restock it, but it's their 20-ounce HVLP gravity spray gun. Now next up we have this deal this is the Hercules deal, that get a tool free when you buy their battery and charger start kit for $99. You can get one of these tools up to a $139 value for free, and these are just some of them here. Now from Quinn, they had this 87-piece Master Bit socket set for $79, $20 off, $99 originally, but this has the SAE metric and all the different sizes. Now this is another store-wide deal from Icon. You in-store only 40% off all of their different socket sets, and that's going to be applied at the register. I think that's just easier for them instead of labeling each and every one. But they did have these all stocked, as well as the Quinn products, and some of the Pittsburgh products were on a closeout special. And $24 you can see here, this is 50% off on their 8-piece socket set. And a little tip, the closeout specials are actually better than the Black Friday deals. So just keep an eye out when you walk in for those. Now for $6.96, this is a 1/2-inch drive impact extension set. So if you need to get to something that you can't reach originally with a socket, these are some of the extension sets you can use. For $89, it's $70 off the $159 price is this Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile rapid jack pump. And right above it, these are in the front of the store for $24. It's 50% off on these 3-ton pneumatic jack stands. And this is from Daytona. These are the ones you can get in like 4, 5, 6 different colors. And this has like a 4.8, it looks like, customer star rating. Now for $14, this is 25% off on this 5-piece plier set. Now the thing they're saying with this from Pittsburgh is has those comfort handles, so you're not going to mess up your hands. This is a closeout special, 42% off on this 7.5-inch set of straight hog pliers. Now this is $24. This is 28% off on this 24-inch bolt cutter here. This thing looks pretty heavy duty with the big head. Now this is from Armstrong. I actually have one of these and I can vouch for this. $7. This is 20% off. The other one is $17. This is 17 inches by 42 inches. And this definitely will hold your TV on the wall without issue. $17. This is the one I was kind of messing up with. This is 48% off, 23 to 65 inches. Now for $189, this is the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart. This is $90 off, I think I saw. You have the little top portion. This comes in like 6 different colors. You have the 2 different drawers on the top and the wider drawers coming out at the bottom with that kind of rubber matting. Now from Pittsburgh for $29, this is 33% off for these V-Groove combination wrench sets. This is a 14-piece set, and this is what it looks like in the little holders here, little hanging holders, I guess. Now next up for $2.99, this is the 46-inch 9-drawer mobile storage cabinet with solid wood top. And they have the long drawer on the top with the little rubber mat. This is from Yukon. And then on the bottom, they have the switched drawers where you get like 4 or 5 drawers on each side with the rolling casters as well. So this is a kind of backup large view. And then right next to it, they had a few other carts. This one's $59 at 25% off. And this one's, I think, a 36-inch where you get the top tray as well as the bottom. And this is definitely a heavy-duty one. Now for a little bit smaller one, this is for $49. This is 28% off. This is 30 inches. It was $69 before. And then right on top of it, they have one that's $23. This is their closeout special, and this is 60% off. So see what I mean by some of these deals are even better than the Black Friday ones. But this is what this looks like. They have these tied down together for some reason. Now this is a early Black Friday sale on their Gordon 18-inch machete. And then it's on the other side, it does have the serrated blade. Now for $3.79, this is 24% off on their folding lockback utility knife. So if you need one of those, pick that up. Another closeout special at 24% off for $14.99. They have this fluorescent desktop magnifying lamp if you're working on small electronics or projects. $24 on this 18-inch step working platform. And then $99 on their 17-foot adjustable ladder. I think this has a 300-pound capacity. They're saying super strong, although nowadays 400 pounds would probably be a super strong one. $479, this is 46% off on some moving blankets. This one's 72 inches by 80 inches. Now, all the blue ones are in the front of the store. That's why I'm just looking over here at the black one. But 20 square feet of coverage and a really good deal on these ones. For $139 is this 8-gallon oil-free horizontal shop auto air compressor. And this is what this looks like at 150 max PSI. Now for $998 is this 31-inch PVC folding sawhorses from Central Machinery, and together they can hold up to 700 pounds. Now go ahead and comment, guys, if you find some interesting items here or something that you want to pick up, or something that you may want to pick up after the Track Club deal goes off and it's open for everyone. Now this is the $6 transfer pump for fluids, and then the $4.94 inside Track Club deal on these white hub tires if you need to replace one. Now for $49, this is a 600-pound capacity hand truck. This is this orange one here, so they had the smaller ones on top of it. Now for about half off here, 47% off at $11.99, is this 12-to-1 infrared laser thermometer from Ames. This is what this looks like if you need to check on a spark plug that's acting up or some cold area around your windows or what have you. Could be a nice little pickup for almost half off. Now this is an ammo can for $294, 50% off. And this is actually not it. It's the one right above it, which I'll show you. It's this gray one. So that makes sense. The smaller one's the $2 one, and then the $9 one is going to be the larger one, and that's 41% off on this one. Now from the Warrior brand for $996 is this 1500 watt 11 amp dual temperature heat gun. So these can be used for like paint stripping, decal removal, removing wrap, I guess, on like shrink wrap and things like that. Now from Braun, this is another store-wide deal, 40% off all Braun lights. Now this is really great because this is the 5500 lumen 4-foot shop light. Now you can link these together up to I think 8 different lights, and these are 4 feet a piece. I think this is one of the best deals in the store. So you can link up to 8, and you're going to really brighten up whatever you're trying to light up with those, because that's 5500 lumens. $119 is 65% off this 11 amp 5-inch deep cut bandsaw. Now this is from Hercules. It does include the box. And from $12.99, this is the moving dolly. It's a 30-inch by 18-inch, 1,000-pound capacity dolly. It's kind of hard to believe those things can hold 1,000 pounds, but I guess they can. Now this is a 4-pack Hallmaster ratcheting tie-down kit, 1 inch by 15 foot. You're getting 4 of those for $5.96. So that's like $1 something for each one. That's a really good deal. I think that's the lowest deal I've ever seen on these in about 2 years. And next up, we have battery deals. These are some closeout specials. I just wanted to bring these to your attention. Don't think these were Black Friday deals, but these were those closeout specials. Now this is the Predator 6-inch circumference blade auger for $179. This is $40 off, was $219. So these are the specs here, 320 RPMs and easy view fuel tank. $149, 25% off this all-terrain cart, and they have the little smaller carts inside of it. That's kind of how they've been doing it, but you can take off all the different sides if you don't need them. This is nice if you're working in your yard, carrying around brush or whatever. Now this is a blue creeper for $19. It has a 300-pound capacity. This is 50% off, so another good deal. This comes in 4 different colors, I think green, black, and gray. $49. This is a 15-amp battery charger. This is what the box looks like. This is from Viking, so it's a mid-size battery charger, especially safer in the colder months here with your car. Now this is a portable jump pack for $59. This is 14% off, was $69. And then for $34, this is a 10-amp variable speed reciprocating saw. This is from Bauer. They're saying it has 60% more power, and it's tool-free as far as the blade changing on this one. Now for $299, this is the 12-inch dual bevel miter saw. This is from Hercules. Originally was $349. Definitely one of their nicer miter saws in the store. It has showing their maximum vertical cut capacity here with the different moldings. Now off to the right, they do have a more budget-friendly one. This is $99 from Chicago Electric. This is the 10-inch slider compound miter saw. And this has a 5.5 cut vertical capacity. These are the specs on that one. From Bauer for $24, this is 44% off this 8 amp trigger grip angle grinder. It's a 4.5 inch tool, and they have them out for display here. And now from Warrior, these are some slide switch 4.3 amp angle grinders for $9.98. These are 33% off, and they have these fully stocked. I'm not a big Warrior guy, but I mean, if you tried them, let me know in the comments. Now they had all of these gloves here, $6.98 for the 7mm nitrile powdered free gloves. This is a 50 pack, and basically for the 7mm ones, those are the $6 ones. The $4 ones are going to be the 5mm, and those are more for light duty. They do have nitrile and vinyl, so you can choose and pick which ones you want. And this one is the highlighting the $4.98 5mm, and then the 7mm is going to be the $6.98, and then right above it they do have, I think it's a 9mm for $8.98. Those are like mechanics, very heavy duty gloves. So next up for $4.98 is this solid rubber wheel chuck. It's 37% off. You can pop one of these behind your tire if you're doing work on your car and you don't want your car to be moving around. And they did have these stocked up pretty well. Everything was pretty well stocked up, but again, this is Monday. It's the first day of the sale. $74 is $35 off. It was $109 on this auto darkening welding helmet. I do like the neon green color here, and these are some of the specs here. All right, thank you guys so much, and check out this next video. This has some other Black Friday deals going on, so hope you like it.